So I got the brakes off a 25 RMAX, and you know, we all know that they switched. They went out to Hayes braking system instead of the Nissan. Brake pads are hugely different. So this has about 200 miles on it. We're just doing its braking service, and I figured, hey, let's pull a brake off and take a look at it. So you can see isolator is already on it. It's clipped on to the brake pads. I'm not sure if that's going to come with the brake pad, but we'll see. This is the Nissan, so this is what it was like. And then it had an isolator on the one side with like a squeal shield, or they called it a shim. One thing that we see though is that it has automotive style sliding hardware, which I like. You know, you can replace that out. I will say a takeaway from it, you know, Randy drove it, Tar Heel Trailblazer drove it, I drove it, and no squeak. You know, RMAXs, Yamahas in general, kind of known for their squeaking brakes. You know, they work good, but they do squeak. And this one seems like they solved that.